So I have already cloned the repository. That is the first installation instruction. The next one is you go inside the directory. Then you do mvn compile, and then you do mvn execute. We have provided login credentials for two types of users, namely simulation user and then admin. So let's log in with the simulation user credentials. As you can see, this is the main menu page. And if you click on create a simulation, and then add the number of sprints, team size, velocity, and then duration, and click on continue. It shows the overview of the sprints, and if you click on any sprint, it shows in detail the product backlog, sprint backlog, and the day-wise progress of each user story. Now, if you click on the download button, it tells you where the CSV file is. You click on close, and if you go here in the Agile Simulator downloads user, and this is our CSV file. This CSV file can be used to create burn-down chart and do exploratory data analysis. Now let's go back to our application once more. And if you want to save this session, you just click on save, and it says save. Now, if you go to the home page and click on view simulation library, you can see the saved session. And again, it's the same page. So that is our user story 26. Now, if we go to the home page and sign out and log in with the admin credentials, now you can see that create account button shows. That is because only the admin can create new accounts. If you click on this, you need to enter a username, a password, then pass. And you select the role, and then the email address. We have included various checks to verify the content of the inputs. If you click on create, I have removed one character, and click on create, it says fail because the passwords do not match. And if you try to create a user with a username that already exists, it will not let you create the user because it's already existing user. Now that I have fixed all the validation issues, let's click on create, and the user was created. Now let's try to log in from that user. And you can see the main menu page. Again, the create account button does not show because the current logged in user is not an admin. This was our final user story 33, add trainer and trainee account. Are there any questions or comments?
No
No
questions.
Okay, good job, guys. Let's conclude this meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.